The best ways to build an affiliate marketing plan. Affiliate marketing is a way to do a revenue sharing venture between websites and/or other merchants. The website owner puts advertisements on their site to promote sales for the other merchants and can send interested customers to that website. This video can help explain all of the ways that affiliate marketing can work for you. When selecting an affiliate program, be very sure to read the fine print of your contract, and especially beware any exclusivity clauses. An exclusivity clause may dictate that you can only promote that company's products on your website. This can seriously impact your earnings if you plan to use multiple programs. Write an enhanced review about the affiliate product you are marketing and include screenshots, photographs, and videos. Most people will not buy a product before understanding exactly what it can do or seeing a demonstration which proves that the product lives up to its claims. An enhanced review can really inform a potential customer about the product, so it has the power to dramatically increase sales. It is important to know your audience when also using affiliate marketing. If you are writing a cosmetics blog, don't choose affiliate ads which are for car parts. The more an affiliate ad relates to what your website or blog is about, the higher the chances are that your current customers or followers will use the affiliate links. You should select affiliate marketing partners that offer products closely related to your website's focus. This is not a case of encouraging the competition but simply smart business. Visitors to your website are most likely to purchase products related to the topics that brought them to you in the first place. By selecting affiliates that provide such products, you will increase the chance of successful sales. Beginning affiliate marketers would do well to embrace that label and not try to turn professional diaresis half in the blink of an eye. Always take your time to learn about the business and how it operates before you attempt to expand. There's nothing wrong with being a rookie. That means you can only rise up in the rankings. As previously stated, affiliate marketing can open doors between merchants and can help them to refer potential customers. By using the techniques in the video, you can increase traffic to your website and also make money for sending customers the other merchants' way. It is a win-win situation for both merchants. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.